Hi, this is Senthamil Krishnan here.
Rao,
Shravan Kalai,
Shrutila,
Meera Grover,
Karthik Ramogan,
Shivakumar Manohar,
Vignesh Prakasam,
Gautaman Arunachalam,
Prakash,
Arun Kumar,
Brinda.
Kalishwaran.
Kanne Prakash.
I work in a shipping company as the head of learning and development.
Now a music composer, plus artist.
Trainer,
HR consultant,
heading as a country manager in Bluepo Partners,
Program Director in LTI Mindfield Limited.
Team building strategist.
senior software engineer.
An advisor in software architecture.
I have a health and safety training agency.
CEO and founder of The Magic Key and The Magic Journeys. Employee engagement professional.
training manager.
Counseling psychologist. I came into this program with only one single expectation as to how do I handle my relationship issues.
I came to this program with feelings to address my insecurity at work. I was not able to differentiate the feelings in my home versus my work. I was very much intertwined.
I came into this program wanting to learn about myself more.
My key takeaways: one, I have understood the importance of smallness and greatness and how both can support us in our lives.
Greatness என்ன ஸ்மால்னஸ்னா என்னங்கிறத முக்கியமாக தெரிஞ்சிட்டேன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேலேயே.
I can never imagine how one should connect to oneself. The love I feel for myself has been grown to an immense extent.
But then after going through the program for last 2 days, I think I found an answer, and I think also found answers for a lot of other problems extending beyond the relationship issues, right?
The way this program went out, the layer by layer, I'm able to connect with myself. That was so beautiful.
I have a lot of limiting beliefs, which really changed me now as an empowering belief.
Initially, I thought I have a lot of challenges, I have a lot of pain. But after coming to the program, I understood all the pains are the potential for me to explore.
I learned about the greatness and the smallness that I have in me and how to employ them at different scenarios, and that was a big learning for me.
ஸோ இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் முடிக்கும்போது நிறையா எனக்குள்ள ஒரு மாற்றம் ஏற்பட்டுச்சு. ஒரு முக்கியமான ஒரு மாற்றம். ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி எடுக்கவே பயப்பட்டுட்டு இருந்தேன்னா, எடுத்தால் ஏதாச்சும் என்னால் பண்ண முடியாதுன்னு நினச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன்னா, ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி எடுக்கலாம் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு தைரியம் வந்துச்சு.
One of the key learning is live the moment. We always stuck between the future and the past. Here I'm able to realize that we need to live in the moment, at the moment.
So this is a space, this is a very safe space that gives you so much of insights and help you to explore.
சிச்சுவேஷனுக்கு எப்படி நம்ம ரெஸ்பாண்ட் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படிங்கிறத, எங்கெங்கே ட்ரிகர் ஆகுதுங்கிறத, எது மூலம் வருது அப்படிங்கிறத தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம் அப்படிங்கிறத இந்த ஈகோ ஸ்டேட்டில் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டேன்.
How to handle stress, time management, and relationships with everyone, with yourself too.
Now, in retrospect, as I view them, it all feels that it was a load that there was no need to carry.
2-day experience was much beautiful than I expected. The very important learnings I am taking from this training program, coming to awareness of your smallness. So grateful for Ganesh to make me hear my inner voice, make me connect with my inner child.
How mental construct is the origin of limiting belief, irrespective of whether I created or it's created by others.
The problems that we face in our life are not external, and it's all within us. It's just that we need to be patient enough to find the result and fix it within us.
I was thinking that success is what I was running after, but in truth, what I was running for is happiness. And that realization is something that I've gotten in this session.
The Ganesh Kumar done a fantastic job by sharing his experience, sharing his vulnerability, helps me to share my vulnerability, processing on my own emotions, which is not helping to me.
So what makes Ganesh is the intention, the true intention to give something. So everything, the way he puts it, comes from his wholeheartedly. He wants to give it to you. He takes the full responsibility for your transformation. That's how you feel it.
I have to own my own power. There is no point running or avoiding or running away from my power.
I used to always work on the result. So that actually pushed me to it is the operating time of fear. But when I started to operate from the point of love, I could able to do a lot of things. That is my important takeaway.
I got this awareness of what and all I'm not looking into my life, what is important into my life. Because Ganesh always keep telling me that you're always looking at your work, but then I think you need to focus on your love or the relationship aspect.
And ice breaking ப்ரோக்ராமாக எனக்கு இருந்துச்சு ஆக்சுவலாக.
And I'm pretty sure all your 16 hours is going to be fun-filled, learning, and it is going to be an awesome experience.
If I have to describe this program in one word, it's extraordinary.
Powerful.
Empowerment.
Feel the change. So eye-opening, so empowering.
Transformative.
Revelation.
Transformation.
It's transformation.
ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக் ப்ரோக்ராம்.
Soul searching experience.
Own your inner power. It's self-realization.